Hello, how to solve this nice math problem, square root of 25 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 15 to the power of 3. Then square root of 25 is equal to 5. Square root of 15 is equal to 15 to the power of 1 divided by 2. Then this can be written as 5 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 15 all to the power of 3. If you have a divided by b to the power of 2, this is equal to a square divided by b square. Then this can be written as 5 plus square root of 5 all to the power of 3 divided by square root of 15 all to the power of 3. Let's consider this denominator first. Square root of 15 to the power of 3 is equal to 15 to the power of 3 divided by 2, and this is equal to 15 multiplied by square root of 15. Also, for numerator, we have 5 plus square root of 5 to the power of 3 can be expressed as by binomial expansion. We have 5 to the power of 3 plus 3 bracket 5 square bracket square root of 5 plus 3 bracket 5 bracket square root of 5 square plus square root of 5 all to the power of 3. If you use binomial expansion, then this is equal to 5 to the power of 3, 125 plus 3 bracket 5 square, that is 25, bracket square root of 5 plus 3 times 5, 15, bracket square root of 5. This will cancel this. 5 plus square root of 5 to the power of 3. Then this is equal to 125 plus 3 times 25, that is 75, root 5. If you multiply by root 5 plus 15 times 5, that is 75, plus square root of 5 to the power of 3 is 5 root 5. Now 125 plus 75, this is equal to 200 plus 75 root 5 plus 5 root 5, 80 square root of 5. Therefore, square root of 25 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 15 all to the power of 3 is equal to 5 plus square root of 5 all to the power of 3 divided by square root of 15 all to the power of 3 is equal to, denominator we have 200 plus 80 root 5 divided by 15, the denominator root 15. And this is the final answer. Then we can express this further by using our calculator. Let's use the calculator. This is 200 plus 80 root 5 divided by 15 root 5 root 15 root 15 is equal to 200 plus 80 bracket root 5 is 2.236 divided by 15 bracket root 15 is 3.873. This is equal to 200 plus 80 multiplied by 2.236. We have 178 multiplied by 178.88 divided by 50 multiplied by 3.873. That is 58.098. Then this is equal to 200 plus 178.88. That is 378.88 divided by 58.098. And if you divide 378.88 by 58.098, this will be equal to 6.52. Therefore, our final answer is, we have square root of 25 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 15 all to the power of 3 is equal to 6.52 if you use your calculator. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.